Okay.
We're trying to decide where to put the studio desk. We've got BBC producer Victoria here. She's saying put it that side. The PowerPoint is here, so it's a difficult decision, but we're gonna go with that way. And Stanley is gonna work out how we can move the power over that side.
You can go like that.
And the transmitter sit on maybe on that little table for now here.
It's a good table. It's
And this size, yeah, gives you plenty of space.
Yeah.
Let's move it this way a little bit so that you can have people.
Stanley from Bario, and then just a week ago, Lila and a few of us we are having the dialogue about this community radio, and now it's a dream coming true. Because a year ago it was just a theory, or Klabit grammar or Klabit language in more what do you call it, original way. First taught in English, they say this is a man, this is a pan, this is a hat, a man and a pan.
I don't know what frequency you're going to be on, but...
So that's your headphone.
Put it on like...
It needs a little shove. And then
100.
already you can see the levels. La la la. So it kind of goes up like this. So all you do now is just press your record button. And that's it. When it's flashing on and off, it's just telling you that it's ready to go. It's ready to go.
You've got 2 sets of mics. You've got 4 mics on here.
Okay.
So you want it to be equal back and forth like that.
Yeah.
So I think you have to set the setting inside.
In the setting, you can choose which of those mics you use. What I do with the Zoom,
Yeah.
you see the Zoom H2?
Yeah.
I try to angle it because on the Zoom...
Oh yeah.
Just read it.
Yeah, my writing's very bad.
You are listening to Radio Bario.
Yay!
Is it like that?
Yeah. So we have to press record.
You are now listening to Radio Bario. This is Radio Bario. Welcome to Radio Bario.
Here it is. Sadly, we've got a good volunteer. So you put the microphone quite close. And shall I hold this? And so you, okay? Bila ka nakaro?
Dulu bahasa anak kita kirim ngaruh. Biar belakang na balo.
Radio Bario. Welcome to Radio Bario. We are coming to you to read from Radio Bario.
Hey!
This is Radio Bario. Welcome to Radio Bario. We are coming to you
Live.
from Radio Bario.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
You are now listening to Radio Bario. This is Radio Bario. Welcome to Radio Bario. Welcome to Radio Bario. We are coming to you live from Radio Bario.
Thank you, very good.
Are you able to say it in Klabit?
Oh, yeah.
So we can, you can try it. Okay. So I just everyone close.
Does that come up?
Do you want us to do some chat for levels, or do we just?
I think you guys are pretty good.
Good to go? Okay. Well, welcome everyone. This is Radio Bario and it's a lovely sunny Friday afternoon and we have 2 guests in the studio. Stanley, you are going to begin by finding out more about the Community Day. Yeah, well you can actually, what we can do is we can introduce our guests here, so find out a little bit more.
Okay, thank you, Victoria. I'll be talking in Klabit now. Patabi mating ng tao ngabi lam Radio Bario at kini tao ina nat lunokla ngating siit karo ng tao yan na tapomo dati na ang padan ayay dingini kadi Victoria at dato nukuran dato kunuan tao ledang ruyung kadi kina idi yang ini la ngana mala anun ilung atau tao demuruyung kan kapakan muri dia naruh dia kan kanwani dia baruman
Malam nuing lino muda kada tao na ami di royong luntawang ilam radio
lun bawang kade kayo kayan kanyai ke troyong ta kade dengan lidah. Ngubur Tuhan kade inan ada belawang bereda ida mere ada tahu sebulan yenan lam karo tahu kelabit. Ngubur Tuhan lam kayu ini deh.